Welcome back to Brain Space. Today we're going to dive into a topic that's on a lot of minds. How to make a woman think about you, even when you're not around. Whether you're looking to build a deeper connection, spark interest, or just stay on her mind, this video is packed with practical tips and psychological insights to help you achieve that. So, grab a seat and let's get into it. Number 1, be confident but not overbearing. The first thing to understand is that confidence is key. Women are naturally drawn to confident men, but there's a fine line between confidence and arrogance. Confidence means being secure in who you are, not needing to brag or boast. It's about being comfortable in your own skin and showing that you're capable and self-assured. When you display this kind of quiet confidence, it's magnetic. It makes her curious and intrigued by you. But remember, confidence doesn't mean being overbearing. It's not about dominating the conversation or trying to impress her with grand gestures. It's about being genuine and showing that you value yourself, which makes her value you. Number 2, engage her intellect. A great way to make a woman think about you is by stimulating her mind. Engage in conversations that challenge her, make her think, and show that you're not just interested in surface-level topics. Share interesting stories, ask thought-provoking questions, and listen actively to what she says. This kind of intellectual connection creates a lasting impression. When you show that you're not just focused on her looks, but also appreciate her mind, it creates a connection that goes beyond the physical. This makes her more likely to think about you when you're not around, as she'll remember the stimulating conversations you've had. Number 3, be mysterious but accessible. One of the most intriguing traits you can possess is a sense of mystery. Don't reveal everything about yourself all at once. Let there be layers to uncover. This doesn't mean playing games or being deceptive, but rather keeping some things to yourself, allowing her curiosity to grow. However, balance this with being accessible. Being too mysterious can backfire if it makes you seem distant or uninterested. Show that you are available and engaged, but leave some room for her to wonder about you. This balance keeps you intrigued and makes her think about you when you're not together. Number 4, create shared experiences. Another powerful way to stay on her mind is by creating memorable shared experiences. Whether it's a fun adventure, a unique date, or even a simple, meaningful moment, these experiences build a connection that she'll associate with you. When you share these moments, they become memories that she'll recall, making her think about you long after they've passed. It's these shared experiences that create a bond. When she looks back on them, you'll naturally come to mind, and the positive emotions tied to those memories will keep her thinking about you. Number 5, show genuine interest in her. One of the most effective ways to make a woman think about you is by showing genuine interest in her as a person. Ask about her passions, her dreams, and what truly matters to her. Listen to her stories, remember the details, and follow up on things she's mentioned. This shows that you're not just interested in a superficial relationship, but that you truly care about who she is. When she feels truly seen and understood by you, it creates a strong emotional connection. She'll think about you because you're someone who values her thoughts and feelings, making her feel special and appreciated. Number 6, be unpredictable in a positive way. Keep things exciting by being unpredictable. Surprise her with thoughtful gestures, spontaneous plans, or even just a playful comment she didn't see coming. Being unpredictable adds an element of excitement to the relationship and makes interactions with you more memorable. When you're consistently interesting and keep her on her toes in a positive way, she'll find herself thinking about what you might do next, which keeps you on her mind. Number 7, be authentic and true to yourself. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, be authentic. Don't try to be someone you're not just to impress her. Women appreciate authenticity and can often tell when someone is putting on a facade. Being true to yourself not only makes you more attractive, but it also builds trust and a deeper connection. When you're authentic, you allow her to connect with the real you, which is far more compelling than any act you could put on. She'll think about you because you're genuine, relatable, and real, qualities that stand out in today's world. Remember, it's not about tricks or manipulation, but about building a genuine connection and being someone worth thinking about. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more relationship advice, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Until then, watch other interesting videos on our channel.